Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to activate night shift on your iPhone, and I will also explain this option for you. So first of all, you just need to go to settings and scroll down a little bit. After that, you need to go to display and brightness. And after that, go to the night shift option. And for the night shift option, it's an option that can help you ameliorate the quality of your sleep at night by making the screen or your screen, the screen of your phone, use more warmer color, and this will make you relaxed more and will protect you from the light of the phone screen. So to activate it, you just need to manually activate it until tomorrow, like this, if you want to activate it manually. Or if you don't want to activate it manually, you can schedule it by clicking here and tell your phone from what time you want this option to be active on your phone. Or for example, you can tell your phone that you want this option activated from the sunset to the sunrise, or you give him the time that you want to use. And or like I told you, you can enable it manually until tomorrow. And here you can choose the degree of the colors that you want to use. And the more warm the color is, the more like you will relax when you are using your phone. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next